Dito tayo ngayon sa Tuscany Private Estates in McKinley Hill, Taguig, to check this new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So let's go and check natin to. So this is the unit. Oh, may foyer pa dito, oh. Pagpasok mo. Ano ba to? Cabinet pa. Total floor area is 131 square meters. Laki niya, oh. Flat siya. Walang taas. Maganda. And tignan nyo naman yung view nito. Napakaganda, oh. Facing, ayan, American Battle Monument. Ano, sementeryo po yan. And BGC. And greeneries. Ang ganda rito pag gabi. This is 131 square meters. And it comes with 2 parking space. So may hallway tayo dito. Going to the bedrooms. This is the bedroom 1. So natirahan siya before. And ang view niya is yan, BGC and American Battle Monument. And then bedroom 2. This is as is where is upon turnover. And this is for bidding. Then we have a common bathroom here. Shower. And this is the primary bedroom or the master's. Meron siyang walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. So this is available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. This is around 30.6 million and for bidding. So if you are interested to make a bid and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. And again, this is as is where is upon turnover. So if you are interested to make a bid and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. This is the living and the dining area. And then meron tayong kitchen. Enclose yung kitchen niya. And dalawa yung ano niya. May isa pang access to the hallway. Kitchen niya. Ito pinaka-laundry and maid's room. Sarili ring bathroom. So again, if interesado kayo dito, please message us directly. Dito yung gym nila. May access yata ito eh. Pwede mo makapasok. Pwede. Dito rin. May access din dito sa pool. Hindi rin pwede.